So tinag tayo dito sa video na to and gusto malaman ko ng reaction ko. So let's go watch this video. And thank you nga pala kay Boss Draven for tagging me, kay Boss Renzo11 who owns the video.
Ano pala mo?
Lorraine.
Anong biggest indicator na mahal ka ng isang tao?
For me, siguro pag natatrato na ako ng tama, doon ko na-realize na na mahal niya na talaga ako kapag natitreat niya na ako kung paano ko gusto matreat ng isang guy. Nabibigay niya na yung gusto kong love language, kung nabibigay niya ng hindi nagmumukha na demanding ako ganun or masyado akong needy. Kung nabibigay niya ng kusa yung mga love language na gusto kong matanggap sa akin.
You give a specific love language mo?
Siguro acts of service.
Acts of service?
Acts of service, quality time.
Acts of service, quality time daw yung love language niya. Well, granted naman na yun na we should treat women right naman talaga, di ba? Quality time, of course. Doon papasok yung dating. Hindi yung manliligaw ka sa chat lang. Ask them out on a date once a week. That's it.
Trip mo ba yung princess treatment?
Siyempre, sino ka naman may ayaw nun?
Anong chat yung sure na bubuksan mo pag sinend sa ito ng guy?
Pwede naman din yung happy birthday.
Happy
Siguro
birthday?
yun. Happy birthday ko. Na-reply ko lang naman ng thank you, gano'n.
Memes? Do you like memes? No?
Sakto lang. Kung meron ako naging accomplishment tapos magka-congrats siya, pwede din yun.
The princess treatment na yun daw yung gusto na sa manliligaw niya? That's BS, bro. Remember yung lagi kong sinasabi sa inyo dito sa channel ko na women say differently to what they emotionally respond to. Yung sinasabi na dito na princess treatment, only do this when she's already emotionally engaged with you. Meaning, kung in love na sila sa inyo. You don't do this kapag manliligaw ka pa lang sa kanila. Kasi 9 times out of 10, malalagay mo sila sa pedestal niyan. And once that happens, bababa yung value mo sa paningin ng babae.
Ano mas trip mo? Pogi, mayaman, o matangkad?
Tatlo na lang.
Yung tatlo?
Tatlo po. Yung tatlo. Kasi, syempre matangkad daw.
Okay.
Tatangkad. Ay, acceptable naman yan. Tapos sa mayaman, wala lang. Kasi, parang naniniwala ako na di ka dapat papasok sa isang relationship kung hindi ka financially stable. Tapos sa pogi, wala lang. Pogi.
Pag pogi, goods din.
Well, here, I think she's being honest, and I totally agree with her. Though I feel like when she says na mayaman, I think what she really meant was financially stable. Financial stability says a lot about our character kasi as men. This makes the woman feel safe kasi. Yung sa pogi na part, of course, what she really means is yung gusto niya na guy na at least attracted siya. Meaning, attraction level of 5 or above.
Paano kung wala sa tatlo pero he's funny, you're funny din? Do you like him?
Kung magkiklik naman yung personality namin, pwede naman siguro na magugustuhan ko din naman siya. Basta magkiklik yung personality namin.
Basta magkiklik yung personality niyo. Paano kung he's funny but he's shorter than you?
Siguro magdadalawang isip mo na ako na
Sa part nito, medyo nabali yung rules ni ating and I can't blame her. Kasi malaki talaga yung impact ng humor sa isang relationship, sa totoo lang. It gives off the vibe na easy to go along with ka, you're confident, masaya kang kasama. Pero still, like what I keep saying, attraction is not a choice. Kung funny guy ka nga, pero swangit ka naman sa mata ng babae, walay din sigarilyo. If that's the case, then it's just best for you to move on na lang.
Saan ang perfect dating spot para sa'yo?
coffee date.
Coffee date?
O kaya museum date.
Museum?
Pag coffee date, parang doon kayo magkakaroon ng quality time to get to know each other. Kasi syempre kayo lang dalawa. Kasi museum date, parang maganda lang yung mga arts, ganun.
Arts, you like history, no?
Sa tingin ko, hindi pa nakakatikim ng romantic evening dito si Ate. Negative tayo dito, mga sigarilyo, sa mga coffee dates lang. Lalo na sa hapon, Because those are friendly dates lang. If you wanna be her lover, do the things that a lover would do. Now, pwede naman mag-coffee date, Just as long as sa gabi nyo gagawin yon. And then, syempre, hindi yun ang ender ng date nyo. After nyo mag-coffee, pwede kayong lumipat sa restaurant, have dinner. Then after nun, go out for drinks. Just make sure na yung ender ng date nyo is an activity that will help you get closer to her physically. For example, nag-coffee date kayo nung una, and then yung pangalawa, nag-dinner, and then after, you went out for some drinks. Then when you're having drinks, watch for the signs. Is she touchy? Is she giving signals na she wants to be touched din? If she is, then as a man, ang trabaho mo, is to seduce her. Kasi nga, the purpose of a date is to create a fun-filled romantic evening for sex to happen. Coffee dates will only work kung mataas na yung attraction level sa'yo ng babae to begin with. And let me tell you guys, that happens very rarely. Kasi most of the time, mga sigarilyo, yung mga nakakasalamuhan natin sa dating world ngayon, yung mga attraction level nila ay usually mga nasa 5 lang. And bringing them to friendly dates will not help increase their attraction level for you.
Ano advice mo sa guys para magustuhan pa sila nung niligawan nila?
Wag na lang tanong ng tanong, may chance pa ba ako, ganun. Like, patunayan mo na lang na gusto mo talaga siyang i-pursue. Wag kang mainipin, ganun.
Kailangan may patience ka, no?
Yan ang sinasabi ko sa inyo mga sigarilyo. Now she's really being honest with this. Kasi nga, kung tanong ka ng tanong sa kanya, kung sasagutin mo ba siya, may nafe-feel ka na ba sa akin, kailan mo ba ako sasagutin, ang lakas makababa ng attraction niya mga sigarilyo. Bakit? Kasi you will come off as needy, insecure, kasi you need constant validation from her just to see where you stand with her. Ang trabaho mo as manliligaw is to just keep courting her, do everything right, be a leader sa mga dates nyo, be on your masculine core, of course. And then eventually, if you do everything right, siya na mismo magbibigay ng subtle hint na gusto niya niyang makipag-exclusive sa inyo. Walang ganda na lang video natin. I hope nakatulong sa inyo. And follow for more if you guys want to get my help personally. The quickest way is for you to book a one-on-one phone coaching session with me. You can do that by clicking the link in my bio if you're on TikTok. Pero kung nasa YouTube ka naman, the link is in the description box below. Peace!